Now this is the meal we just made with the beets, the Brussels sprouts, and some leftovers. I'm just going to show you tonight another variation. I'm going to add noodles to it. We're going to cook up the noodles, we're going to put it all in, and this will make another good meal that you can have. That'll have more protein in it and lots of vegetables and be just good for you. So come and watch.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living!
So what we're doing right now is we are warming up the water so that we can put in these noodles into it. Okay, so now the water is boiling. Drop it into the water and get it to boil again. Leave it in the pan until it boils for the entire 7 minutes. Now if the pan starts acting like this, leaving it on high might mean that you might have to lower the heat. So I've lowered the heat from 10 to 7, which is almost medium high. Don't forget to put your sea salt in your pasta, otherwise it's going to be tasting kind of blah. The salt makes a big difference. So at 7 minutes, the pasta is not even al dente, it's not cooked, so we're going to give it another 2 minutes. Okay, so now the next thing you do is you drain your pasta. So carefully pour it into your strainer. Make sure you turn off your stove. Kind of wiggle at it a little bit because these can hold liquid. Try to get rid of that extra water without throwing any of it down the sink, that is. Get your plate. Once you warmed up your stew from last night over on the stove top, take it and pour it over on top of your already prepared warm noodles. So instead of using flatbread like we had the past 2 nights, we're using actual pasta. Okay, so that's it. What you saw tonight, you saw my dinner. You saw I'm storing the stew. And you saw I stored the noodles. So that's what you need to do if you want to be able to make some more for your family. So thank you very much for watching my video, and I look forward to seeing you soon in our next video. Bye-bye.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.